Andito kami ngayon sa Pugad Adventure kasi gusto ng aking mga anak na mag-swimming.
There you go. Nice.
Dito naman sa my pool area, nagpaparenta sila ng kayak. Kaya sinubukan naming sumakay at nagbayad kami ng 50 pesos for 10 minutes.
Hi!
Meron din silang mini zoo dito sa Pugad Adventure.
Five.
Anong five?
There's
more
more.
at the back.
6, 7, 8, 9.
That's 9.
It's your
There's more
birthday.
here. I don't like to snake that.
Ang binayaran lang namin sa kubong ganito ay 1,500 pesos kasi sarili namin yung buong kubo. So this is the end of our adventure. Now, pauwi na kami. Kung nagtataka pala kayo kung magkano ang binayaran namin na entrance fee, adult is 200 pesos, kids is 150 pesos. You can also bring your own food or you can buy it over here. They have restaurant.